Meaning of Cyrillic. Cyrillic. Cyrillic.
Cyrillic. Cyrillic. Cyrillic refers to a writing system used for several Slavic languages, as well as some non-Slavic languages such as Mongolian and Kazakh. It was developed in the 9th century by the Byzantine missionary brothers Cyril and Methodius and is named after Saint Cyril. The Cyrillic alphabet has 33 letters and is used by over 250 million people worldwide. It has had a significant impact on the cultural and linguistic development of the countries where it is used, including Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, and others.